What's going on, guys? With me right here I have the DJI Mavic Air 1. We're going to be discussing this drone today in this video. We're going to be going over the specs. I'm going to be showing you the footage, and we're going to be giving you my opinion of this drone. So anyways, let's get into the review. We're going to start off with the specs, and I'm just going to put that on screen, put the specs for this guy on screen right now. Alright, so those are the specs. I'm super excited to fly this right here. So anyways, let's get into the flight test. Stay tuned to the channel, guys, for a separate video on this Mavic Air right here. We are going to be doing a flight test, and we're going to be going over the quick shots. I have to do this in a separate video because I want to keep this video to be, not too long. I want this video to not be over 10 minutes long. So the footage is also that I'm showing you, it's not to its full potential because it's being processed and edited on a device that is not 4K. So if you look at the footage from what I originally record from the SD card, and then you see the footage now, there is a slight difference, and it actually is much better footage than you can probably see. Even though I do think some of the shots that I filmed look really good, I just don't think all of them live up to their full potential if you look at them straight from the SD card and you put it, let's say, on my computer. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. Now I went to the same spot and I flew this guy for a second time. So I'm going to roll that footage for you right now. So I guess it's time for my conclusion on the DJI Mavic Air 1. Now, I really like a lot of things about this drone. Really, this is hands down the best camera drone that I own. So it has a lot of great features that still hold up against a lot of today's drones. But there are two things that I have discovered when flying this that kind of hold it back. The first thing, and it's really the most important, is the battery life. It advertises around 21 minutes, but to be honest, I get between 15 to 17 minutes, which for a $200 drone, I mean, that's not a bad flight time, but this is a professional drone. This is a professional drone. This thing can shoot professional videos, and I think for the price that this guy was originally sold for, I think you should be able to fly this guy for at least, I don't know, about 25 minutes. But I guess it was too hard for them to work out because this thing is pretty heavy. So I guess that is the first flaw. But the second flaw, and there's nothing you can really do about this, or they could really do about this, is it doesn't have OcuSync, which is a new technology, and I understand that. So there's really nothing you can, complain about there. But I just really like the OcuSync on my DJI Mini 2, and if this thing had OcuSync, it would really be able to do a lot more. But in order, like I said, the most important thing is the battery life, because you're not going to be able to take it out too far if, you can't fly it for very long. So that is the conclusion on the DJI Mavic Air 1. I will leave more resources and several more detailed reviews in the comments below. Make sure to like this video, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.